Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to copy a playlist on Spotify. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Spotify and I can see all my playlists here on the left. Now I want to copy playlist 1. How do I do that? To do this, I right click on the playlist and go to Add to Other Playlist. I now have two options in this menu. I can integrate this playlist to another playlist. This means that all the songs from my playlist 1 are copied into this playlist. However, if I want to duplicate the playlist itself, I click on New Playlist. And now we have copied the playlist. I can now right click and go to Edit Details to change the name of the playlist. And as you can see, now we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.